Jake, I'm so tired today.
Oh no, what happened, Lily?
Yesterday was so busy. Work, then gym, then dinner. I did too much.
That happens to me too. A busy day is hard.
Hello, welcome to Leap English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jake. We teach easy daily life English.
Today's topic is great for beginners. We are talking about your daily routine.
Yes, we will talk about your morning, your work, your evening. Simple things. Part 1. Morning.
Let's start with morning. Jake, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I drink coffee. Always coffee.
Me too. Then I take a shower. After that, I get dressed.
Nice. So, I wake up, I drink coffee, I take a shower. Easy sentences. Common mistake.
Listeners, a common mistake. We say, I take a shower, not I make a shower.
Right. I take a shower, not I make a shower.
Another one, I get dressed, not I wear my clothes. Too long. Get dressed is perfect.
Main content. Part 2. Daytime.
Okay, let's talk about daytime. I go to work at 9 o'clock.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails, I talk to my team, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
I start work at 10. I work on my computer. Sometimes I have meetings.
Vocabulary. 5 easy words.
Let's learn 5 easy words. Wake up. Open your eyes in the morning. Get dressed. Put on your clothes. Start. To begin. I start work. Have lunch. Eat your lunch. Finish. To end. I finish work at 5.
Main content. Part 3, evening and night. After work, I finish at 6. I go home.
What do you do in the evening, Lily?
I make dinner, then I watch TV or call a friend. I go to bed at 11.
I make dinner too. Sometimes I go for a walk. I read a book before bed.
Engagement question. Okay, listeners, our question for you, what time do you go to bed?
Say it with us. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Tell us. Let's do a very short recap. Quick sentences.
Morning. I wake up, I take a shower.
Day. I start work. I have lunch.
Evening. I make dinner, I go to bed.
Perfect. You can say your routine now.
Try it. Talk about your routine today. Say 3 sentences.
Talk to a friend. Talk to your pet. Or talk to yourself in the mirror.
Practice makes perfect. Try it now.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Remember, you're not just a learner, you're becoming
Subscribe for more videos.
Bonita Bordia.